Hey guys, Alex here from Rising Sun Customs. I'm going to show you here a little trick on the GS450 that I'm working on, Project Night Train. I'm getting ready to put in the jockey shift mount bracket for the bike. And I want to show you this kind of little ingenious trick that I picked up, and I'm sure I'm not the only one to think of it, but it's a pretty cool trick nonetheless. So I'm going to show you how to mark the holes into the bracket for drilling before you actually drill. So what I have here, and don't get the wrong idea, but this is lipstick that my mom gave me that she didn't need anymore. So anyway, nope, it's not mine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the lipstick and I'm going to put it on the tip of the top of the bolt right there. See how I put it on there like that? Let me get it in focus. There you go. There's that one, and here's the back bolt. So I need to make some more clearance for myself, so I'm going to lift the tank up a little bit. I should really take the tank off for this, but it's alright. Just get a good helping of lipstick material on there. Sorry, I'm holding my cell phone, so it's like trying to juggle with one hand and, just chaos ensuming. So anyway, let's get this tank up in position. Here we go. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my bracket. This is the mounting bracket for the shifter, and I'm going to put it right on the bolts. Again, I'm sorry about the camera misalignment here and everything, but what I'm going to do is just press down on either side of the bracket. You can see what happens is that the lipstick transfers from the bolt to the bracket, then one on one side and whoop, one on the other. Come on. This camera doesn't focus well, but anyway, you get the idea. So that's where I'm going to drill my holes. I'm going to get a hole punch, or a punch rather, and then just use a hammer and mark the holes and drill them out. And that's it. It's a really good way of marking your holes, know where to drill. So this way, when you do a drill, they'll come out nice and even, and it'll be nicely mounted. So anyway, just wanted to show you that. But besides that, project's coming along. Sorry, progress. It's coming along pretty good. Yeah, it's like 1:30 in the morning, so I'm tired. Progress is coming along pretty good on the bike here, as you can see. Little wire sticking out of the handlebars there. But she's coming along, and she'll be ready hopefully in a couple months or so. So anyway, that's it for now. Just wanted to show you that quick little trick. The lipstick trick. Alright, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and share, please, on the page here. This is Alex from Rising Sun Customs, signing off. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.